Hello guys, the intent of this video and our channel is to show the audience the digital perspective of experience one can have. Many will not have the joy of riding the bike, driving the car, playing sports, doing adventure activities, etc. Our attempt is to bring that thrill and experience to them. The video also acts as a timestamp and gives reference to the locations which got covered in this video at that instant of time. Viewers will get a reference from the past when they watch these videos in the future. Thank you.